Hi children, good morning. This is Aruna Rajaputra with today's social studies topic, early civilizations. Today you will understand in early civilizations about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilizations, and you will also understand the city planning, economic life, literature, social life, art, religion and trade. And I am going to upload Aryan culture and political organizations of early Vedic and later Vedic age in the next continuation video. And in today's topic early civilizations, you will learn about Indus civilization, that is 2500 to 1700 BC. In that, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro cities and other sites you will learn. And this topic I will upload in the next video, that is Aryans, about early Vedic age and later Vedic age. Coming to Indus Valley civilization. India has a long history. It has a rich culture and tradition. It is a living museum of ancient world and its lost civilizations. Historians thought that Indian history began with the Vedic period until the last century. The excavations of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa in 1920s pushed back our history by at least 2000 years. They found an excellent and advanced civilization earlier to the Vedic period. It is called Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. Here you can see the remains of Indus Valley town, children. Indus Valley civilization developed along the rivers Indus and Ghaggar Hakra. The traces of these rivers are found by the satellite images and other sources. The sites of the civilization spread over more than 1500 places in Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Western Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. They are also found in Afghanistan and in the provinces of Punjab, Sindh and Baluchistan of Pakistan. The Harappan civilization flourished between 2500 to 1700 BC. Here you can see the green color area in this map showing the extent of Harappan civilization. Here you can see Mohenjo-daro city, Harappa city and Lothal, the port city. Civilization is an advanced stage of human society where people live with a reasonable degree of organization, comfort and can think about things like art and education. Here you can see the city of Harappa. The cities of Harappan civilization were well planned. They were protected by forts. They had wide roads and public wells. Here you can see the Great Bath of Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro. A great bath is a great tank for public bath. It was found in Mohenjo-daro, children. There are rooms on all sides. It was used during religious congregations. 6 large granaries and quarters for laborers were also found in Harappan cities. Lothal was the popular harbour in those days. Next, drainage system in Indus Valley civilization. They had a well-planned underground drainage system which shows the importance given to the cleanliness and the public health. Here you can see the houses in the Indus Valley. The Harappan people built their houses with dried or baked bricks. There were 2-storied buildings also. Even every house had a well for water and bathrooms with pipes that carried waste into the main drains. Coming to the economic activities of the Harappans. Weaving cotton cloths and woolen cloths were the main occupations. They were credited for growing cotton for the first time. Here, next, production of baked bricks was another occupation. They reared cattle, goats, pigs, dogs, camels and donkeys. They carried out trade activities to the port Lothal in the Arabian Sea with Mesopotamia, Egypt and Iran countries. Here shows this picture shows the economic activities of the Harappans. Coming to the crafts, pottery, bronze work, spinning, weaving and machinery. That is, and next, important export trade. They used to do in tin, copper and precious stones, cranes, then jewelry, then pottery, then wood. Coming to the agriculture, they used to grow rice, wheat, barley, cotton and peas, children. And the domestication of animals, they used to do dogs, elephants, ox, buffalo, sheep and goats. Here this picture shows the social life of the Indus Valley civilization. Both men and women were fond of decorating themselves. Women used ornaments like necklaces, armlets, finger rings, bangles, earrings, nose studs, etc. They knew cosmetics and they used to use perfumes at that time. Food and crops. Agriculture was their main occupation. They grew wheat, barley, peas, lentils and mustard, etc. Next, coming to the entertainment, dance, chess, music, marbles and dice were their entertainments. Bullfighting was their major entertainment. Children had dolls with toy bullock carts, etc. Here you can see the bullock cart. Coming to the art, small idols of Amatalli, that is mother goddess made out of clay, have been found in large numbers. The statue of dancing girl and the stone idol of beard man are excellent artifacts, they children. Next, coming to here, religion. They used to worship Pashupati, that is Shiva, and mother goddess. They also used to worship people and neem trees. Sun, fire, earth, water and snakes were also worshipped. Fire pits like Yagnavatikas are found in Kalibangan and Lothal. The symbol of swastik are most commonly found. Here you can see the Indus Valley script, children. Harappans had developed their own unique script and language. The scholars could not decipher it yet. Here you can see weighing tools, weights and measures. Harappans were the first to develop the system of standardized weights and measures. The fire-baked bricks were uniform in size. The measurements and weights of Indus people also moved to Persia and Central Asia. Here you can see the tools they used. Indus people used bronze axe, earthen pots, ornaments of gold and silver, clay seal and bronze spearhead, and here you can see the copper vessels. Here in this picture shows early river valley civilizations in the places of Mesopotamia, Egypt, Indus Valley and China regarding environment, power and authority, science and technology. Causes of the decline. The theory that Aryans' invasion was the first cause of destruction of Indus Valley civilization, but it was rejected by Mortimer Wheeler. Archaeologists thought that change in the course of Indus River and floods led this civilization to decline, and some others believed that the drying up of the river, Indus River and its tributaries made the people leave this area. And it is now accepted that several factors led to the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Task for this video is compare the economic activity of the Indus people with the present. Task 2, write few sentences about the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. And the continuation part of this video, Vedic period, early Vedic and later Vedic, I will upload in the continuation video, that is next video, children. Thank you all, children. Have a nice day.